You don't have to be a Jedi Master to know that size isn't everything, especially when it comes to portable Bluetooth speakers, like Yoda with a lightsaber. Some of the smallest speakers showcase surprising power. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. Whether you're heading to the beach, chilling at home, or just need something that fits in your backpack, these 5 compact and affordable speakers deliver way more sound than you'd ever expect at their size and price. The first is JBL Go 4. Weighing just 0.4 pounds, it's the tiniest of the bunch, but still manages to produce loud and clear audio. Available in 9 bold colors, it's waterproof, dustproof, and made of recycled materials. Only real downside is a 7-hour battery life and some stiff controls, but for around $40, it's a great little speaker to toss in your bag and go. Now, if battery life is your top priority, the Soundcore Select 4 Go might be your choice. It can keep the party going for a massive 20 hours on a single charge and often drops to as low as $20. It floats in water, offers customizable EQ settings, and sounds decent overall. Though it can be a bit light on bass and occasionally sharp on the highs, but hey, remember, 20 hours. Looking for something a little more powerful? The Tri-Bit Stormbox Mini Plus is for you, and it even includes multicolor LEDs as well for a little extra vibe. The only speaker here with a built-in mic for speakerphone calls. Just keep in mind it's a bit bulkier than the rest and doesn't officially claim dust-proof status, so your choice. For those who want serious volume and deeper bass, the Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom 4 leads the pack. It gives 360-degree surround sound and a 2-year warranty. While it lacks a customizable EQ, its durability and audio quality make up for it though. You will pay a bit more for that extra firepower. Finally, there's the Sony SRS XB100, a great pick for those who love a warmer sound profile. It includes a speakerphone mic, has a great quick start guide, and even comes with a handy carrying strap. While the Bluetooth 4.2 spec is a bit outdated and its app features are limited, the 16-hour battery life and waterproof design make it a strong everyday option. Each of these small mighty speakers prove you don't need to go big to get great sound. Even the smallest things can do something bigger. What are your thoughts about the list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.